All right, guys, we're hitting some arms and shoulders today. We're on our 5th set, standing lateral raises, supersetted with some close grip, upright rows. Ooh. All right, really focus on squeezing the traps here. Nice isolation movement with the compound. All right, now we're doing some front lateral raises with some wide grip upright rows. We're on set 5.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Filming?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go.
This is a isolation movement because we're isolating the front delt. And we're gonna superset it with the compound movement. And the compound movements we use multiple muscle group. Right, some upright reps. Squeezing them traps. Elbows above the hands. All right. All right, we got an isolation rear delt, supersetted with some overhead shoulder press, both ways. We're on set 5. Really squeezing that back. Like I said, both ways we'll hit reverse cowboy. Compound movement. There we go. 15 sets in already. A few hundred reps. All right, we're on set 5. I'm just doing some shrugs here. Don't go crazy with the weight, guys. Just put on a moderate weight that you can get a good squeeze out of. If not, you're not really working the muscle. So, I also ate like crap this weekend, so I feel awful. Weddings, you'll be your downfall. But it was fun. You still gotta live a little. All right. Good squeeze, good stretch. Whew. That's how it's done. One more set of shrugs for funsies. Then we're gonna move into arms. That's how you do it. All right, set 5, 10 each arm, back and forth, non-stop. There we go. Alright, we got some kickbacks. We'll do 5 sets back and forth, 1 arm each. Quick 100 reps. Set 5, we're doing 10 top, 10 middle, 10 bottom, and then 10 full tricep push downs. This will really just engage every part of the tricep right here. Keep your elbows in. Really focus on squeezing. These things hurt so bad. All right, guys, we're on set 3 of 5 here. Only doing 30 seconds of rest between each set. Trying to shoot for 12 reps, double squeeze at the top. And make sure you guys have your machine set right. Good stretch, double squeeze. Whew. That's how it's done. This is gonna be a lot of reps for arms and shoulders. I'm gonna guess like 900 to 1,000 today because we've been getting it in. Been here a little while, longer than normal, probably because I don't feel that great from eating bad all weekend, which was not a good choice, but once your body gets used to eating so clean all the time and then you go back to eating junk, just processed stuff, you feel like shit and realize how bad it actually is for you. So stick to that diet. Don't do what I did. All right. We're on set 5 out of 5. As you can see, we're only doing about 20 to 30 seconds of rest between each set. And I was just alternating between wide and narrow grip. But 10 top, 10 middle, 10 bottom, 10 full. Puts that nice tension on your bicep. Cool. Really squeeze at the top. Ooh. That's how it's done. Set 5 here. You gotta pay extra for this. We're on set 42. That is the best bicep squeeze I've ever had. Whew. Last set of the day. Double squeeze. We're on set 5. Come on. I'm beat. Let's stop the workout. So, see what we got as far as reps. Save. 48 working minutes. 1,072 reps. 619 calories. Not bad. I'd say that's pretty good.